everyone. Welcome back to Junior Peacemakers at Home. Today our topic is unity. First, let's answer a question about unity. The question is, what does unity mean? So unity means oneness. And unity also is when we include others and make them our friends, not to leave anybody out, to make sure to include everybody. And unity is valuing every person in our family, school, community, and in our world. To have peace, we must establish unity and teamwork. So some examples, maybe some examples are like a sports team, because maybe it's because sports teams, everybody in the team has to work together to try to win the game. And also, also the human body, because all of your body parts have to work together to keep you functioning and healthy. Now let's just go over a few more examples. Now I will be sharing a quote with you about one human family. In reality, all are members of one human family. The diversity in the human family should be the cause of love and harmony, as it is in music, where many different notes blend together in the making of a perfect chord. And this quote is from Abdu'l-Baha. So this is a picture of unity in diversity. This links to oneness of humanity. You can look at how different everybody is, yet they're all standing together. Now I just want to have a little fun would you rather question. So how would you rather for your drawing to look like? Would you rather it to be colorful like this, or just one color like this? I personally would pick this one, all different colors, because it can kind of add life to your drawing, and there's more colors, which is like more beautiful. And that's why I like to have many different colors. And this is another one. Which garden do you prefer? Do you prefer this one with all of the same flowers? Or do you prefer this one with a bunch of different kinds of flowers? I personally would prefer this one because there's a lot of flowers. There's a lot of different types, just like how we are in real life. So just imagine if each of these different kinds of flowers was a different type of person. And there's so many different types of people here. But then imagine it if everybody looked exactly the same. You wouldn't be able to see anything new. This is a picture to represent the human race, which is, there's a quick quote up here. It says, "We only have one race, the human race." Now let's get into our craft. This craft is called the paper doll chain. So it's 4 people holding hands with hearts in the middle to represent love, and the hands to represent unity. To make the paper doll chain, you're going to need some scissors, some markers or a utensil to draw with, and also this paper, you can find the link to the PDF in the descriptions below. Once you have the printout, the first step is to cut around the heavy black lines. The next thing you do is cut the hearts in the middle of their hands and also cut out the space around the people. The way I'm going to do it is first I'm going to just cut the ones along the side. So the left and the right. Okay, once you have the two outside ones cutted, you fold it on these faint lines over here, and then you should have half a heart over here, and then you cut out this half a heart, but remember that this half a heart is actually two half a hearts, which is one heart. So once you cut that out, and if you unfold it, you see that you have a heart right here. You continue doing this on these faint lines until you have all the hearts cut out. This is what it should look like when it's done. So after you have all this cut out, you can just go on with decorating them. So you can just draw whatever you'd like on them and just make it look however you'd like. So this is my final result of a diverse group of people. To conclude, I would like to share this quote with you. So powerful is the light of unity that it can illumine the whole earth. And this is a quote from Baha'u'llah. Thanks for joining us today. Bye.